and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight, I'm making for you one of my favorite Italian desserts, Italian parfaits. This has the most delectable cheese, mascarpone, with egg whites, espresso, and sugar, topped with amaretto cookies. Perfect combination of flavors. So here we go. Super simple, 10 minutes, you're totally done. And everyone will be so impressed. In my glass bowl, I have 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese. To this, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of regular cane sugar, 1 cup of espresso, freshly brewed, and we're going to mix this up. Delicious. So we're going to mix the sugar into the mascarpone cheese with the espresso. Look at that, so delish. You know, mascarpone cheese is such a wonderful, it's kind of Italian cream cheese, if you will. And it's so great because as with cream cheese, it can be made into savory or sweet dishes. Obviously sweet here, we added the sugar, but it's wonderful. I love to make, in my cookbook, I have my mascarpone trifle for appetizers with green pesto and red pesto. Delicious with crackers for an appetizer. It's a very versatile, rich, delicious cheese. Okay, there you go. Look how beautiful and creamy that is. That's just 16 ounces of mascarpone, 6 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup espresso coffee. To this, here I have beaten 3 egg whites to form meringue, nice and fluffy. We're going to add these very gently into the mascarpone mixture. And as I'm sure you know, and as I've said in my other videos, the egg whites like this, the meringue, just make the cheese mixture so airy and fluffy and delicious. Always be careful to be very gentle in stirring, folding your meringue into your cheese mixture. You don't want to break the meringue and then make it flat. If you're gentle with it like this, you'll keep the nice fluffiness to the meringue. There you go. We just want to mix it like that. Now, very simple. I like to use these very pretty wine glasses. These happen to be antique wine glasses that I have. Otherwise, you can use a little ramekin. I think it's prettier in something tall and thin. And we start with the mascarpone mixture on the bottom. Just take like a nice full tablespoon or 2 on the bottom. And then we're going to top it with, I have amaretto cookies. So if you want to use biscotti, you could use biscotti. I love the flavor of the amaretto, and I've just chopped them very roughly so you have a little crunch in your dessert. And we put a layer of the amaretto. And then we're going to do another couple scoops of the mascarpone cheese mixture. Look at that. So delicious. With some, let's put one more in there. And then we're going to top it with the amaretto cookies. Look at that beautiful presentation for your dessert at table. And it tastes delicious. You have the smoothness of the mascarpone with the sugar and the hint of espresso. You have the egg whites, the meringue, which make it light and fluffy, and then the crunchy deliciousness of the amaretto, which is the almond flavored cookie from Italy. Absolutely delicious. What a beautiful presentation for dessert. And look at that, not even 10 minutes. So just continue and make as many as you'd like. This will make at least 6 or 8 of these and enjoy a delicious Italian dessert. Simple, fun, yummy. The hallmarks of Italian food. So, buon appetito. Tutti a tavola. Ciao, ciao.